guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing fine. So today I have another recipe. Now this recipe is of breadcrumbs. Everybody might be knowing breadcrumbs are so much necessary when you are cooking any snacks or anything, and I really like breadcrumbs. The thing is that my thing is, why do you waste your money and buy it from the market when you can make fresh breadcrumbs in front of your eyes from your own hands and keep it in the freezer, and whenever you wish to you can use it. So today the recipe which I am going to show you of the breadcrumbs is very easy, and you are surely gonna love it, and next time you're gonna think that why do you waste your money. Instead of wasting the money, the remaining bread, whatever you have, the remaining bread, you can make breadcrumbs out of those. So without wasting further ado, let's get started to the video. So these are the breads. I had put them in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, and after that I removed it from the fridge, kept it in sunlight for half an hour, and now I'm gonna toast it. So I've taken a tawa, I'm putting all the bread, the tawa is hot, putting all the bread, going to toast them from both the sides. It's getting toast on low flame. Now let's swap it and see. See, the bread is getting a little browner. You need to make the bread more toastier because it has to be a bit stiff and hard so that we can make the breadcrumbs. In this way, do the whole bread. I'll be toasting all my breads. You can see this is the color that your bread has to get. And do not forget to toast the bread on low flame only, please. So my bread is all hard. These are all my breads what I toasted, and you can see how it is looking now. You let them cool for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You can see the color of the breads. Now all the bread is cooled down. Now I'm gonna break it into small pieces so that we can grind them in the mixture. Break all the bread. See, you can see the size of the bread what I'm keeping. Now take a mixer grinder. Put all your bread in it. And grind it well. So now you can see my breadcrumb is ready. This is fresh baked breadcrumb at home. You can keep it in the fridge for 1 month, and in deep freezer you can keep it for 3 months. I hope this recipe was useful for you. If you like this recipe, please do try it, and please do give me a big thumbs up, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.